Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this curly headband wig with bangs using only one packet of braiding here, guys. So if you're interested in this, please watch every step from start to finish. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to be using one pack of extreme braids color purple black, so I'm going to be cutting it in half like that, and then after cutting in half, I'm going to stretch the ends to get rid of the blunt cut. So after stretching the hair, this is how it's looking. I'm just going to section a small piece of hair like that, and then the straws that I'm going to be using, they are not strong, so I'm going to put a chopstick inside so that it will be strong and it will be easier for me to wrap around the hair around the straw. So twist your hair like that and start wrapping it around the straw until you finish to the ends. And then after you finish wrapping your hair around like that, we're going to be removing the chopstick, and then we're going to secure the beginning of the straw with a bobby pin. Where we started wrapping around the hair, we're going to secure that part with a bobby pin so that our hair will not unravel. So like that, remove the chopstick and then take your bobby pin, fold your straw like that, and then place your bobby pin right there at the beginning like that, guys. This is how I curled the hair. And then after curling the hair, I'm going to be mixing conditioner and hot water. Mix it together and then use a brush or something to make sure that it is mixed, the conditioner and the water. And then after that, put your hair and then just dip it in hot water like that. Leave it for about a minute or two, and then remove it and leave it overnight to dry. So after that, remove it on the straw and then cut the ends like that so that it will be easier for you to separate the hair. So I'm going to section the hair in about three pieces, sometimes 4 pieces. So this is how the curls are looking like. It's giving an afro curly. Yeah, this is how it's looking like. So I'm going to be using this headband and this wig cap. So this headband wig is really warm. If it's cold, like, you will really feel warm, your ears will be covered and everything will be warm. So just put your wig cap on your mannequin, then place your headband on top of it like that. And then I'm going to be using a nude thread so that it will match the headband. When I'm sewing right there, it won't show. So just make sure that you place your wig, your headband correctly like that, and then leave a space at the front because we want to do our bangs right there. So just sew right round using your nude thread or a thread that matches the headband that a headband of your choice. Yeah. So as you can see, guys, it's really invincible. The thread is matching the headband. So just sew right round like that. And then after sewing, we're going to be crocheting our hair on the wig cap right there on the top. The wig cap underneath the headband, we're going to be cutting it off after we are done with the crocheting process, the part right here at the top and the bangs. So after sewing right round, just tie your thread and then cut off the excess. And then I'm going to be using this big crochet hook, and then I'm going to pass it through the wig cap, put my hair on the hook, close the lash, then pull the hair through, open and loop, then pass your hair through the loop like that, then twist and turn and pass your hair through the loop and pull it through. So right here I did tie twice, but throughout the entire wig I'm going to be tying only once. So push your crochet through, put your hair, close the lash, pull it through, open a loop, and then pass your hair through the loop and tie your knot like that. This is the method that I'm going to be using throughout. This is curly hair, so it doesn't necessarily need you to do like double knotting. Single knotting is fine, the hair won't unravel. So I'm going to be crocheting the hair right round like that, and then after doing the first round, I'm going to do the second round, and the part that is on the middle, I'm not going to be crocheting that part. I'm going to leave it like that, guys. Only crochet right round, like 2 lines only. That's enough for your headband wig right here at the back. So this is the second row. Just crochet right round, make sure you cover all the gaps. so that when you tie your hair it will be covered. So like that, guys. After crocheting, I'm going to be tying a ponytail right here at the back, and then the ponytail is going to cover the knots right there underneath on the wig cap. So just tie your hair using a thread, and then after tying you are going to cut off the thread, and then we're going to be doing the bang area. So easy, guys. You don't have to do the part that is in the middle. You end up having like too much hair. This is enough, guys. As you can see, the ponytail is really big, so just the sides right round right there at the top, the middle part, you don't have to crochet it. So yeah, guys, so simple and easy. So at the front, I'm going to be using my pins to pin down the headband at the back, so that it will be easier for me to work with the front area right there. I'm going to be crocheting, and make sure that you space it out so that your bangs won't be too bulky. This is curly hair, so just a little hair you have like bulky bangs, so make sure that you space it as you crochet. So you can just use your finger as a guide, like the space in between. And then after crocheting, when you see that your hair is enough for your bangs, you can then cover the knots with your headband. And then after doing that, I'm going to trim the bun at the back, and then I'm going to be going in again with my nude thread to sew that part right there, right around the part that I've crocheted right here, guys. I'm going to sew it using my nude thread again, so that it will be secure. As you can see, the type of wig cap that I used, it shrinks. So if you don't sew that part, your wig will shrink. So to make sure that it will stay in place, use your thread and needle to sew right around the part that you've crocheted your bangs, because we're going to be cutting off the wig cap underneath the headband that we did not crochet. So you have to make sure that you sew this part right here at the front. After sewing, just tie your thread and then cut off the excess thread, and then we're going to be trimming our bangs. So when you're trimming your bangs, make sure that you don't go in like too deep. You don't trim too much. You have to trim just little by little, and you can finish the trimming process when you have the wig on your head, so that you can shape it and frame it according to your face. And then you can see if you want longer bangs or you want short. So don't trim too much. Finish the trimming when the wig is on your head, so that you don't make a mistake, and just do it little by little, guys. If you chop big, like, you have to start over with the crocheting process. So it's better to do it little by little. So after that, I'm going to pin down my headband right there on the part that I've sewn right round. I'm going to pin it down, and then I'm going to flip the headband, and then I'm going to cut off the wig cap underneath right there, guys. So just cut that off, and then your wig is ready, guys. So simple and easy to do, guys. So easy. Yeah, so do let me know if you're going to try out this headband wig. So simple, and you can also do this like for kids. Yeah, so for adult, for kids, yeah, you can do it. So I'm going to be sewing 2 clips, one at the bang area and one at the back, so that my wig will stay in place. So yeah, I did sew that off camera. So for installation, you just pin the back, clip the back part, and then the bang area, and that's it, guys. So as I said, we're going to finish the trimming process of the bangs when your wig is on your head, so that you can shape it according to your face, according to how you want it to be. Yeah, so just trim little by little. Don't chop too much here, guys. Don't chop too much. Little by little, and you will achieve the bangs that you want, guys. I'm loving this wig. As you can see, I was really excited. Yeah, so this is the final look. This is how the wig is looking like on me, guys. Do let me know what you think about this simple headband wig, guys. Are you going to try it out? To let me know what you think about the color, to let me know. So if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. And guys, don't forget to like, share this video, guys. Share this video. Yeah, so that's all for today, guys. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. I love you.